Hey, what's up? Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my stream. Sorry, just now I just test out the software just to play around. This is what I'm doing almost every morning to play around with the software. And what's the software is all about? The software is about how to learn robots by in virtual. So to those who want to learn about the robot in really basic way and to program the robot in really basic way, you guys can check it out. The software is called Virtual Robotic Toolkits, and and from where you guys can get this software, I'm going to provide you guys the link later on. You guys can also purchase it, but if you want to try, to those who haven't installed yet, to those who never explore this software, you guys can search the Virtual Robotic Toolkit in the Windows Store. Right, in the Windows Store, there is a software called Virtual Robotic Toolkits, and is free trial for 15 days. 15 days. Hi Shafiq, welcome. So it's something new, kind of stream for me. Just bring my passionate about robotics on my stream page, on my Tengku Gaming page, more towards to share education kind of information. So let's start. You guys can drop by, you guys can share anywhere. Please, I hope you guys can share lah, my stream regarding about education. Hari-hari tiap-tiap malam duk stream about games. How about something special for today? I stream about a test stream. Okay, that's why it's called test stream on education. So let's start it. Let's start. Right. So the software. This is the software. Right. So how to start the when you install. Maybe some of you guys keep asking me. What's the good? What's the requirement? What's the requirement? Okay, let me just open. Okay, let me just open the website. You guys can get the info from this website. Okay. Oops. Virtual Robotic Toolkits. Right, this is a website. You guys can get it from here. Okay, let me pump up the link in my chat. Link for the software. Hey, thanks whoever just now. Thanks for the share. Thanks for the share, Shafiq. Okay. So here we go. I already shared the link. You guys can check it out, the link. Right. And it's not post up in the Facebook. Yeah. Okay, because I stream at a few kind of interface at the same time. So virtual robotic toolkits. Okay, if you guys want to download it, you guys can click purchase. Okay, and then go to Microsoft, get it from Microsoft. All right, get it from Microsoft, and yeah. All right, the price in Microsoft, before I started, if you guys want to purchase this software, the price is around 200 plus, but you guys can get it from Shopee. That's only start with 200. But if you guys don't want to purchase, you guys can click on free trial. The free trial is only going to provide you 15 days, right? So to learn about robot in 15 days, I guess to try out is a long kind of trial, trial kind of things. So yeah, click on free trial, and then you can start download and try. Okay, so what's the requirement for this software? All right, so the requirement for this software is you need to have Windows 10 version or higher. All right, and then this include mouse, keyboard as usual. It's like you playing games, guys. It's like really you playing games. Memories, RAM is 4 gig. Video memory, you guys can use onboard video memories, but if you guys have graphic card, it's much better. But this is the minimum, so sorry, a little bit flu today. Don't worry, no, it's not COVID. It's like what in Malaysia, ulcer. No, sinus ulcer lah pula. Sinus ataupun sedong. Right, so graphics, you guys can use integrated graphic. So yeah, this is the minimum. This is maximum. Right. So of course, if you have maximum kind of requirement, it's going to be much smoother because the software is right ready. And of course, you guys going to keep asking what the software is all about. Okay, I keep explain about the what we call it, the software, but never show you guys. Okay, the software is about learn about robots. Let's start to learn about robots, guys. So when you open the software, it's going to pop up this kind of interface. Okay, so I'm just going to start a new project. Right, so you have Sim Basic, and it's also have a sort of a competition, but I'm not logging yet to the competition. All right, so later on, maybe the next stream, I'm going to show you guys about the competitions. It's really, really interesting for children. So the parents, once again, for the parents out there, get it. You must have a look. You must share with all the other parents, especially to their children, to learn about robots. Right, so Sim Basic. Let's start with a very basic one lah. Huh? Okay, so start. Crack, please. What the heck? You guys can. We don't have any crack. Seriously, I not support any kind of piracy. Come on, guys. Even my game all are original. The software also I fully support. But like I said, if you guys want to try out for 15 days for your children to learn about robots, check it out. Check it out. The just now the link that I've been provided, and you can purchase it. You can trial for free, 15 days. Okay. Yuri. Alright, our friend Yuri. Soalan-soalan yang agak orang kata apa, critical untuk aku jawab. Okay, so Sim Basic. I guess I'm just going to start Sim Basic. Okay, Sim Basic. When you click Sim Basic, you can see down here there's a lot of activities. So I'm just going to start with the basic one, Sandbox EV3. So in a virtual, okay, they're using a device. It's a real device. The hardware is real. In the real times, they convert it into a virtual. So Sandbox EV3, like because I've done it before, so already as if you like to continue leftover or choosing no. So I just going no to will override all the save. Okay, so right. So let me check again. Okay, so this is a software. Okay, this is a software. Interesting. A virtual platform, right? And this is robots. So you can use mouse to zoom out, scroll in, scroll out. Right? I'm just going to change my positions. That's not my house. This is a playground. So this is robots. So the virtual robots, they using the EV3. So let me just point to this view. Okay, so they're using the EV3 Lego Mindstorm EV3 is really powerful. For me, this is really powerful kind of controller. Okay, to program it. Even for a beginner, it's very powerful. Okay, but even it's powerful, it's really easy to learn. Right? Yes, memang berbaloi. Just imagine 200 ringgit to learn about robots. Right? For your children to learn about robots. And hey, if you guys purchase, contact me. Well, once you purchase, contact me. I'm going to provide you guys a free Okay, a free 2 hours to 3 hours session to learn about robots. Okay, to learn about robot by using virtual. It's like a training, guys. All right. So this is a robot. There is been attached with 2 motors. Okay, let's see the motors. Right, left, right motors. Okay, and then it have a few ports. It can be attached with all the sensors. If you're talking about robots, if you explain your children's about how you guys going to explain your robots to your children's. Okay, of course, for me, I explain to my children as an example, the robots is a mechanisms. Of course, you're not going to use a term of university term. Is a what we call it. It's a mechanical kind of thing that can work on its own with a closer sensor. All right, so it's kind of hard. I always show them example of robot. Of course, not going to show them Robocop lah. Okay. Not going to show them about Robocop. Tapi apa ni example our skill apa ni our environments. What's the simple environments of robotics we can find in di sekeliling kita. Alright, near to us. What's the best example robots apa ni that can be show as example as a robots. Can someone tell me sekeliling anda, okay, around you guys? What example of robot you have around you? Okay, anyone can answer? Anyone can answer? Come on, anyone can answer this question. It's very simple. It's very simple question. If we're talking about robots, what's the best sample example you can look around and say, hey, this is a robot. Okay. Even while you're driving and you stop and while you're driving, you also can find robots around you. Can anyone tell me? Okay, of course, the most simple, most basic robots, around me, maybe my aircon, my air conditioner. Because why? Because it can work on its own. How is it work on its own? You still need to press it. Okay, of course. Hey, how about the temperature? You can adjust the temperature to get much cooler, to get much kurangkan kesejukan, naikkan tahap kesejukan. Okay, so just imagine it can control this kind of thing. That's what we call robots. Okay, that's a very basic kind of explanation for you to your children. Same also bila you drive. You stop dekat traffic light. Traffic light is a robot. Alright. How on earth the traffic light can work on its own? So, yeah. Washing machine. Yes, that's good. Washing machine. That's a very, very good, Shafiq. Washing machine is one of the best example to show to your children. It can work on its own. Your wife sumbat masuk everything, or you sumbat masuk everything kat washing machine, press one button. How on earth the washing machine can know where to put masukkan air, tahap liter air dimasukkan. Those are really good example to show to your children. Okay, but in the same time, how about to program how those kind of thing function? Of course, by programming. Okay, those who create those kind of machines, they have been programmed. Alright, belete aku banyak sangat without showing. Alright, so this is a robot. Okay, been attached to motors, and you can also attach sensors to your robots. But I'm going to show later on regarding about how to what we call it. To attach a sensor. Okay, but first thing first, when we talk about programming, maybe some of you guys keep asking those my times when they told me, hey Hazro, you need to teach children about programming. How on earth? I am background in science computers, more on towards programming. Just imagine those years when I study, it's really a headache for me to learn about programming. So just imagine this is going to be hard, maybe those days. But when they show me the concept of the programming for the beginners, especially children's, I so relieved. Aku senang hati. Aku senang hati. Okay, this comment is very funny. This is bloody funny. Me is my wife robot. Ayo Yuri, this is me is my is it oven can be considered as a robot? Yes, oven can consider as a robot. You set the timer, you set the temperatures. The robots but the robot is the oven itself can control the temperature. The robot itself can control the timing. Yeah, that's an example to show to your children because everything can work on its own. For me, it's considered robots. Okay, but for to go much deeper on terms is a different kind of story. But for the children's, why not? Okay, okay. So, but Yuri, me is my wife robot. That's really funny, man. Okay, so let's try to program. Let's try to program the robots. All right. So how to program these robots? Okay, for your informations, I'm just going to split the screen, right? I'm just going to split the screen. I'm going to put the VRT software on the left, okay, and on the right side is Lego Mindstorm Education EV3. This is the programming platform. So I open two software at the same time. One software to see my robots, my virtual robot, and one more software is to program the robots. Okay, simple as that. Right. So, okay. So how to start program my robots? Okay, as I mentioned just now, the programming. For those you have a background of programming, you guys maybe keep curious, tertanya-tanya. Hey, what programming are you using? Are you going to teach the childrens on script programming? Okay, the Python or Java, whatever it's called. No, okay, no, I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use a very simple programming kind of base. It's developed by LabVIEW. Okay, from Lego. Lego and LabVIEW work together to come up with this software. So let's have a look. It's much better if you guys have a look rather than listen to me explain from A to Z. Right. So this is a programming platform, as you can see. All right. I'm just going to zoom in to make it much bigger. All right. That's much better. Okay. So it's an icon base. It's a click, drag and drop. It's really click, drag and drop. Kind of programming is really easy. It's really easy to learn. For children, I have tried teach the children start from age start from the age 9 years old. Okay, I have teach 8 years old also, but the most suitable age for me is 9 years old, but you need to go really slow. You need to go really slow in teaching robotics and programming for 9 years old. As long they know as long they know about how to use a computer, how to use mouse and keyboard, of course they already know how to navigate. Okay, the mouse and click and drop, those kind of things. Right. So this is an icon. You can see there's more icons programming down here. Okay, I'm not going to go through all the icons. Okay, no, because it can get from very basic, move on to really complicated kind of programming, right? So, why my phone keep turn off? Okay, because I want to see your comments and also my stream is smooth or not. All right, so here we go. How to link? So now I need to link the software to the virtual robotic toolkit platform. So how? So you can see down here, this is the name of the robot. This is the name of this robot, right? So I'm going to click this part. Okay, and it's already linked up. Sorry, I supposed to put next my next stream. I'm going to have this one function that can zoom in really close so you guys can have a look. Okay, And then after that, okay, it's ready to program your robots. Okay, you are ready to program this robot, this virtual virtual EV3 Mindstorm robots. So, all right, let I show you guys a very basic kind of, yes, Yuri, icon oriented programming. Okay, that's really detailed names. Thank you for the explanations. Right. So I just going to click one of the icon. All right, maybe move steering. Okay, just going to use move steering, the most easiest icon, okay, to make this robot move. So in this icon, there's a few more settings uh, inside of here, right? As example, the first setting is regarding about you want to move your robots on based on seconds, degrees, or rotation. Let's start with second. That's mean I want to make sure the motor. Okay, talk about the motor. We have two motor. You can see we have two wheels. It's using port B and C. All right, port B and C. So port B and C is indicate for the motor. It has 4 ports, right? So yeah, so using B and C, and then this setting is steering 0 means going to move forward. It's going to move forward, and then I just want the robot to move forwards. All right. The second one is the speed. Right, this is the speed of robots. Okay, that's the speed of the rotations for the motors B and C. And the second last setting is how long you want your robot, your motor to move forward for 50 speed 50. So let's say I just want to move 1 second. I'm not going to change the rest. I just going to change the seconds. After that, let's make it move. Okay, I'm going to zoom out and play. And you see it's moving. Right, okay, just going to stop again. It's moving. Press play here, and it's going to move for 1 second. Okay, right. That's really simple. That is really easy way to program your robot by moving forward. Okay, so just going to reset again. Okay, and then press play. So for 1 second, the robot moving until this far. Okay, so let's see the difference. Let me check. Let me just going to reset the robots. I'm just going to press stop simulation. Once I press stop simulation, the robot is going to be reset back to the original locations. Okay, so what's next? Okay, how about let's make the robot move for more than 1 seconds. So how far you guys do you guys think the robot going to move? Let's say let's move for 3 seconds. Okay, just now I put 1 second, now I put 3 seconds. So how far is going to how far the robot going to move? Let's go. Of course, it's go much further. Dia akan pergi lebih jauh lagi. Okay, 3 second. Okay, one more time. Let's go. Let's try again. 3 second. Robot moving from this point to this point. Speed 50. Right? Just now, the first one is 3 seconds. I'm just going to reset. Point A to point B. It's much shorter, right? Because it's only 1 second. If 3 seconds, so just imagine. This is a few questions I love to ask my audience, especially Yes, the distance based on rotations. Okay, the distance we can set it based on rotation. You cannot set it. You cannot set it on how many centimeter can move, because keep imagine, because you can change your robots. Okay, that's on my another stream. I'm going to show how to use your own design of robots. Okay, that part I'm going to show on later. Show on my next stream. Okay, so I'm just going to reset again. All right. Okay, I have Yuri and Shafiq, if Shafiq is still around. Okay, or anyone that watching my stream right now. Okay, watching my stream right now. Let's play around. Okay, just now the 3 seconds. Okay, with speed 50, it start to move from this point to almost this point. All right, from point A, point B, around here. What happened? What happened if I change the speed to 25? What going to happen? Is it going to stop at the same destinations point around here, or is the robot going to stop at the shorter kind of distance? So what's you guys going to think? Is it going to stop here, same point, or is going to stop? Right, that's okay. So Yuri mentioned, okay, my student, dia sebab dia panggil aku cikgu, he call me teacher. Okay, anak murid saya Yuri, he mentioned that it's shorter. Alright, it's going to be shorter. How short is going to be? So from 50 change to 25. Let's try it out. I love to ask the question to my students. Apa ni age? They're just going to reply this and that. So that's the way. That's the way. Okay, so where is going to stop? Much slower. And of course, that's very good, Yuri. That's really good answer. It's going to be much shorter. Okay, macam kita bawa kereta lah. Kita bawa kereta, anak-anak apa ni, anak kita, maybe anak kita tanya, oh bila nak sampai ni, bila nak sampai ni. Okay, so just imagine you drive 100 km per hours, same distance, maybe from here go to go to where? Selangor pergi ke from Kota Damansara pergi ke Rawang. Okay, 100 kilometers compared to 60 km per hour. Of course, it's have a different kind of time, right? So just imagine your children just not learn about robots. Once you learn about the robot, you learn about STEM. STEM. What is STEM? Science, technology, engineering, and maths. Okay, mathematics. So just now a question of a very simple kind of mathematic questions. Alright, the distance. Alright, time distance. Okay, so yeah. So that's why I want to show to you guys that this software is by very basic. Okay, it's okay. Thanks, Yuri. Which one? Okay, but all the parameters yang nak panah semua ni. Okay, there's a lot. Later on, I'm going to show you guys. Okay. Yuri, aku FK tadi. Can you repeat all the parameters, speed, duration, anak panah tu apa? Okay, once again. Okay, this icon. You talking about this icon? Okay, the first setting is you want to set it for once. You want to set it on seconds. So the motor want to change to seconds, move of seconds. Or degrees mean how many rotations, how many degrees is going to turn. Okay, right, this wheel you want to move it for how many degrees, right? And then of course rotation, one rotation equals to 360 degrees, so it's going to do one turn. Tapi kena ingat, sometimes it's not accurate. Okay, it's not accurate. How to say? Because sometimes the robots because it's virtual, so robot sometimes dia ikut pada platform. Sama juga dengan real life. Kita test robot dekat atas meja, kita test robot dekat atas lantai. Sometimes you have a different kind of result. So same goes with the virtual. And then that's why I like to use second. Okay, much easier to understand on second. Okay, the next one is steering. Okay, just now let me show. Just now we go straight, right? Just now kita gerak straight. Just going to reset. Okay, dan kali ni aku nak my robot to move forwards more to the right. Robot going to, what we call it, going to move but have more direction to the right. Dia macam curve, dia akan macam curve ke kanan sikit. So this is where I adjust my robots. Okay, so 0 is straight. I guess just going to adjust maybe around 15. Okay, maybe I just type lah, 15. Okay, and I change speed to 50 again. Okay, I can put full. Later I'm going to show you guys how fast is this robot going to move virtually. Okay, and then for 3 seconds again. Alright, so let's play. So you can see the robot going to gerak curve ke kanan sedikit. Ini bukan sedikit, banyak ni. Katakan I nak gerakkan dia curve sedikit saja, macam mana I main? I just going to adjust around here. Maybe I'll just put 5. Is it going to have the difference? Try again. Alright. Nampak dia curve. So the robot can move more to the right, more to the left. Let's try to move more to the left. Just now gerak ke kanan banyak kan? Okay, gerak ke ni. Okay, maybe korang confused, aku adjust sikit view. Okay, tengok pada atas. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is the robot. Okay, so just now it's more moving to the right. Okay, so sekarang ni I want to change, move to the left. Okay, move to the left. I just need to change to -5. Right, -5. Play. Robot going to move more to the left. Okay. So same goes for the activities. You just imagine they have prepared on this activities. In these activities have 3 cubes. You have 3 cubes. So you can create activity for your son, okay, untuk anak-anak anda, for your children's, for your son or daughter, your children's, okay. Hey, let's try it out by just using a very basic kind of icon. By just using one icon, I want you to move your robot and touch the cube. Let's start with this very easy one. Okay. Let's try to make a move, touch the, what we call it, the cube straight ahead in front of the robots. How many seconds I need so the robot can touch the first cube? Okay, but touch only, don't touch, but don't ever drag. The rules is the robot once it's touched, it need to stop. Okay, so how? Right, let's try it out. I'm just going to put 0 again. Hey Afam, thanks for the like. Okay, so just now 3 seconds is going to stop here. How about I put around 4.5? Estimate lah, 4.5. I estimate 4.5 is going to stop here. Okay, move forward, speed 50. Okay, 4.5 seconds. After 4.5 seconds, it's going to stop. Just going to break. Okay, break. Okay. Hey, once again, thanks for whoever like, follow, and share. Drop some comments. Free to ask anything about the software. The software, you guys can get it from the link I provided from Shopee, or you can try it out. You guys can download it for trial for 15 days in Microsoft Store. Just search called Virtual Robotic Toolkits. Okay, so back to the task. Okay, robot move forwards and stop here. I just estimate 4.5 seconds. So let's try it out. 4.5 seconds. Is it going to touch the cube? Oh, it's going to touch the cube and stop. Alright. Lego Robotic ini EV3. Yes, Farhan. I guess most of the school right now, they have the physical models, okay, the hardware, the physical hardware. So the physical hardware is a little bit costly, okay, for you to own it, but by using virtual, it just costs you start for 200 ringgit. You can program it, build your own robot, import into the virtual robotics, and learn about it. Right. So, in 4.5 seconds, I managed to move a robot and touch the cube. Right. Okay. So, how about now? I want my robot to touch the left cube. You guys still remember? If you guys still remember, those who still watching the, what we call it, watching my stream just now. Okay, I just going to put it negative -5. So robot going to curve to the left and try to touch this this, what we call it, this cube. So I'm still going to use the same speed and same timing, 4.5 seconds. This is in second, all right? So let's try it out. Is it going to touch the left cube? Let's play. Oh, jauh sangat. Tak boleh lah, jauh sangat lah. Alright, let's reset again. Right, so I need to have more curve. The robot need to move more to the left. Okay, how about I increase it? Let's try to increase to double, -10. So what's going to happen? So it's more like to try out the robots to make a move. Tak, sikit lagi. The timing just nice. But the curve is not enough. Okay, let's try again. No worry, guys. That's it. That's why this is learning curve. This is what we call learning curve. Lego Robotics EV3, yes. Saya competition dulu pakai EV3. Oh, nice. Okay, you have opportunity to enter the competition. What competition you enter? Is it called National Robotic Competitions? Right? If that's the one of competition you join, is really awesome competition, and you have a good opportunity to join. Okay, not many children have opportunity to join that competition because some school they have the hardware, some school don't have the hardware. So that's why I showing you guys. Okay, NRC, wow, NRC FLL. Okay, kalau macam tu maybe kita pernah berjumpa. Alright, apa ni, Farhan? Okay, because I am one of the the person organizer for these two competitions. Right. So, -10 maybe it's not enough. I'm just going to increase a little bit because it stopped here. So just going to increase a little bit, maybe 13. Right, play again. Is it going to touch? I guess it's going to touch. Yes! It's meant to touch the cube and stop. Right? So yeah, you can do a lot of things by using the virtual software. Okay, the virtual software is really awesome. It's really easy to use, like I'm showing just now. And then, yeah, let's change some view. Okay, I'm just going to go in. Right, so let's see from front. Right, and play. Bam! It's hit the cube and stop. Okay, because the robot just moved 4.5 seconds. Okay, how about if I want to stop it exactly at the cube? How many seconds I need to stop to make sure the robot stop exactly at the cube? Maybe all I need to do is just adjust the time. Maybe around 4.2 and play. Is it going to stop exactly at the cube? Oh no. Right, it's changed. 4 seconds. Reset. I'm going to reset, and once again I play. Nice. Yalah, okay lah. Halal lah. Like what I mentioned in my mission. Okay, so that's what you can do. Okay, I just going to show you one more trick. One more trick on the programmings. Okay, this is only by using one icon. Okay, as example, I want the robot to move forward again. Okay, move forward again. After move forward, I want to enter the second command and enter the second movement. So just move forwards and then just move forward for maybe 2 seconds. After that, I want the robot to spin at the same place for 1 second. So how to make robot spin? The first icon is going to move forward for 2 seconds. The second icon, I want the robot to spin based on seconds, spin to the right for also 2 seconds. So the robot going to move forward. This is how you enter the second command. You can enter how many commands you want, but the way it generates the command is based on the programming is from left to right. Okay, so it's going to run this icon first, and secondly going to run that icon. Right, so let's play. Move forward and turn, spin, baby, spin. All right, that's good. Okay, so that's how you program your robots in really basic way. Right, it's really easy. It's really easy to teach your children. Okay, even yourself, if you are still in school, still learning in primary school or secondary school, if you have free time, you want to learn about robots, go get this software. This software is really powerful and it's really easy, and it just costs you around 200 ringgit. Okay, around 200 ringgit to learn about the robots. Okay, and plus we also provide we also going to provide a free training for you guys around 2 to 3 hours online. Okay, so yeah, all right. Okay, I still remember Yuri. Okay, Yuri just Yuri or Shafiq asked me about the distance. Hey, for your information, this robot we can attach with one type of sensor, right? With one type of sensors. Let me try it out. Let me just going to stop here. Stop here. Yeah, it's just going to zoom in. All right. Right, I guys going to press attach component. And sorry, it's kind of small for you guys to look very detailed, but I'm going to mention that I'm going to attach ultrasonic sensor. See, when I attach ultrasonic sensor, it's going to pop up this like Wall-E punya mata ni. I'm just going to press add. Done. And okay. Okay, now my robot have the what we call it ultrasonic sensor. So what is ultrasonic sensor? Ultrasonic sensor is for your robot to detect an object. Okay, object. So what kind of ultrasonic how we use ultrasonic in our daily life? Okay, apa yang kita apa device, apa alat yang kita gunakan yang kita boleh nampak di sekeliling kita yang menggunakan ultrasonic. Okay, or sometimes it's called it IR. Okay, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor. So apa yang kita pakai sekeliling kita, selalu kita pakai ADAS. Oh. Okay. Okay, so apa ADAS? What's mean ADAS? Sorry, maybe I terlepas pandang dua ADAS tu. Alright, so apa ni, of course for me that I always sekeliling kita punya kereta lah, kita punya kereta kita nak reverse tu pakai ultrasonic, makin dekat makin bunyi kuat. Okay, so that's one of example how ultrasonic work. Of course, kalau sometimes kita communicate dengan anak-anak kita, communicate dengan pelajar-pelajar kita, ultrasonic, apakah haiwan yang mempunyai ultrasonic? Apakah haiwan yang mempunyai ultrasonic? Yuri, advanced driving system. Oh yes, advanced driving drive assistant. Okay, sorry about that. Aku terlepas pandang ada short form tu. Thanks, Yuri. Okay, Aku suka Yuri ni. Yuri ni bagus lah. Dia suka menonton dan juga menjawab soalan-soalan aku lah. Alright. So apa ni? So Yuri, my question just now. Apa ni, binatang apakah yang mempunyai ultrasonic? Can you answer that for our viewers? Because later on, I'm going to share this on my personal Facebook. So yeah. So apakah haiwan, to all viewers, apakah haiwan yang mempunyai ultrasonic? Can someone tell me? Bat. Kelawar. Yes, Farhan. Kelawar Batman. Kau punya imajinasi tinggi, Yuri. Aku suka. I like it. Okay, the adult have a high imagination. That's good. Okay, if you're talking about imagination, the children have a high imagination. So yeah, kelawar Farhan, that's very good Farhan. So kelawar, bats, apa ni, dolphins, okay, ikan lumba-lumba, they have this animal have ultrasonic. So sama juga tadi awal-awal aku tunjuk tadi, I show you guys that the robot move based on seconds. So I want to change the programming. Just going to delete this. Okay, I want to change that the robot can move forwards. Okay, once it's detect for certain distance, it's going to stop. Right, so let's check. Let's try. Let me show you guys how it's work. Keluang man, yalah tu keluang man lah. Right, so we move forward. Right, once it's moved forward, okay, I just going to change to move to on. Means the robot the motor, okay, keep spin for the speed of 50. And of course, how to stop your robots by using ultrasonic sensor. I'm just going to add one more icon. It's called wait. Okay, and I change time from time to ultrasonic sensor. Okay, compare. And I go for centimeters. Oh, nak tunjuk advance boleh nanti. Okay, my next stream I'm going to show you guys because I have limited time. Okay, because around 10:30 I have something to to do with my current job. Actually, this is what my current job. This is what I always do to to teach STEM for children. Okay, boleh Yuri on my next stream. Insyaallah esok I'm going to show you guys on how to line follower. Alright, so move forward and detect the object and stop. So let's say I want to make sure the robot, if the robot move forward, speed 50, and then when it's detect on the second icon, when the robot detect the object, if the object in front of the robot is less than 4 centimeters. How about, okay, dia nampak simbol-simbol ni. Okay, greater than, lesser than. I just going to use lesser than. If less than 4 centimeters, alright. If we use if less than, also okay. This one is 50. Okay, 50 ni jauh sangat. So tak apalah, aku tukarkan kepada 10 centimeters. If the robot detect less than 10 centimeter, it's going to stop. So I'm just going to add one more. I'm just going to copy paste this. Put and here, this is third icon. The robot going to off. Okay, that means the motor going to off or stop. So let's check it out. Move forward, non-stop, but it's going to stop once the object in front of it around 10 centimeters plus minus, and robot going to stop. Okay, press. So keep moving. Detect 10 centimeters. Is it 10 centimeters? Plus minus lah. Huh? So the ultrasonic. Okay, let's try again. Maybe it's too fast. Okay, stop. Play and try again. Let's just change the view. Okay. Okay, ambil sini sikit. Okay. So, there's the robots. Play. So, the robot going to move. Pop. It stopped from 10 centimeters. If you want to robot stop for much further, of course I just increase lah. Alright, increase. Is it going to increase or I need to put lesser numbers? Of course lah. If you want to stop much further, you put much bigger numbers. Let's say stop. I want to stop at 20 centimeters. Right, 20 centimeters. Okay lah. Maybe not much different. 10 centimeter, 20 centimeters. So it's just how about I put back around 40 centimeters. Right. So we're going to put it stop. Play again. Robot going to stop at, here we go, 40 centimeters. Right. One more time. Oh, sorry. One more time. 40 centimeters. Done. Okay. Simple as that. Right. So yeah, that's kind of very basic kind of things you can do. Very, very basic. But actually you can do more in basic programming. I just show you, I guess, around 5% on what the capability of the software and also the programming. You can do a lot more. So just stay tuned, inshallah, tomorrow, on Monday. Sorry, tomorrow is Saturday. On Monday, I'm going to show you guys more on how to program your robots to get more complicated kind of tasks. As example, just now, Yuri told me to tunjuk advanced feature yang robot capable. In example, line following features. Yes, I can show that. This is have a features for line following. Ada, okay. And then maybe after a few stream, I'm going to show you guys more advanced kind of things on how to program your robots, how to build your robots on another software and import your robots to virtual robotic toolkit. So if you got bored with this robot, you want to design your own robot, it can be done. So once again, guys, all you guys need to do is, if you want to try out the software, hey, check it out, this software. Okay, you guys can go to Microsoft.com, search for virtual robotic toolkit. Yes, the price in virtual robotic in Microsoft is $252. You guys can get it from Shopee. Let me just open Shopee. You guys can get Shopee. I have provide the link. All right, provide the link. Virtual robotics. Okay, so this is virtual robotic toolkits. Right, you can get it for start from 200 ringgit and 350 ringgit. 350 ringgit. So keep in mind, you guys going to get it immediately, the software immediately, because it's digital. Once you purchase, you guys can get it immediately, and then you can install it, and then please contact me, PM me. Okay, even when you purchase, they have a detail of my numbers. Okay, to ask furthermore. Plus, I forgot to mention, there is a competition. That's why this is a different price, 200 ringgit and 350 ringgit. Okay, 200 ringgit, you can enter one competition. It's called Virtual Robotic Games. Okay, you get the software, and also you entitled to enter the Virtual Robotic Games. We have the national level, peringkat kebangsaan, and also peringkat antarabangsa kalau anda layak, and is diiktiraf oleh Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia, KPM. Alright, and also there is one more competition that costs you around 350 ringgit. It's called, you can enter two competition, means RVG and also WRO. Okay, so they have two competition to enter. Both competition are entitled diiktiraf oleh Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia. To have much further, to get more further info, you guys can contact me, PM me at this page, right? And I'm going to answer any questions. Okay, we just baru upkan the software ni, penjualan software ni di Shopee, right? Tapi once again, if you guys want to try out, if you guys want to try for 15 days, 15 days, you guys can go to Microsoft, search Virtual Robotic Toolkit, and voila. If you guys want to know more about the software, just go to Virtual Robotic Toolkit. Okay, this is a website. Okay, you guys can purchase it from this. Tapi of course lah, buat apa nak pergi tempat yang mahal kan? Pergi tempat yang murah. Okay, so yeah, so that's how. Just going to share again the link to everyone. So the first link is going to be virtual. The second link is going to be where you guys can get it for the trial. Okay, and the third link is where you guys can purchase this software, this awesome software. For me, with the price of 200 ringgit to spend for your children's, it's really worth it. Okay, just imagine by 200 ringgit, you can let your children learn about the programming. Your children can learn about the robotics. All you guys need to do, have a laptops, have a computer, and then yeah, purchase the software. And then your children can learn about STEM, science, technology, engineering, and maths. Shamil, thanks for the like, bro. Thank you so much for the like. Okay, so I guess that's all for now. I need to rush out to do something else. So let me share again the link. Yeah. Oh, I cannot enter. Oh, because it's more. Okay, let me just. I'm going to put it in. Let me try again. Wait, Okay, this is the link for what I call it, the website, and then this is the link for the trial, and the last link is for to purchase. Right, so you can check it out on the link I will provide. There is 3 links. Okay, to have more info about the VRT, to try the VRT, and to purchase the VRT. So guys, that's all for now. As showing very basic kind of features. It's a basic. How many percent? It's only 5% from what the software can do. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. If you guys want more info, please shout out on my page. If you guys, and plus to those who ever purchase it, you guys are entitled a free training. Okay, so please contact, once you purchase, contact the person in charge. The contact numbers that be provided in your purchase. Right. So terima kasih. InsyaAllah kita jumpa next week. Next week hari Isnin, I'm going to show more about the software. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.